Hi everyone, welcome to Learn AI. In this video, I will show you how to install Visual Studio Code and set up GitHub Copilot for smart coding assistant. So as we know, Visual Studio Code is one of the most popular code editors used by developers worldwide, and GitHub Copilot is an AI-powered coding assistant that can help you write code faster and more efficiently. This tutorial is beginner friendly, and by end you will have VS Code fully set up with Copilot. So let's get started. So to install VS Code, we have to visit this code.visualstudio.com website, and here you have to click on this download button. Now based on your operating system, you can select to download. So I am using Windows, so I will click on this download window. So I have already downloaded. I'm going to my download and I'm clicking this VS Code. The next I'll click on this run button. Then I accept the agreement, and now you have to select these two button, then click on next, then install. So it will take some time to install. So now installation completed. You have to click on this finish, and now my Visual Studio Code is open. So this is the interface of Visual Studio Code, and here you will see the file explorer. Here you will find the code. You can write the file and folder for your code base, and here you can search the code, and this is a source control uh, to connect with GitHub, and this is the run and debug, and this is the extension. Here you can download some plugins. Like for GitHub, to use GitHub Copilot, you have to install this GitHub Copilot check. So let's create one file. I'm creating one Python file, app.py, and here you can start writing your code. So for now I'm just printing hello world. So now see here three dot button. You can click on this three dot button and you will find the terminal. I will open new terminal, and here you can run your command. See, I received the output, and also you can run through this play button also. If you click here right side, you find this run Python file. So this play button through also you can run the code. So I just click on this play button and my code will run, and see I got the output. So now to set up GitHub Copilot, so first you have to create an GitHub account. So to sign up GitHub Copilot in VS Code, it is required a GitHub account. So I have already a GitHub account and I logged in. So now I'll click on this GitHub Copilot symbol. This is the GitHub Copilot symbol. So I'll click on this, and it open this interface. So now I'll click on this sign in button. So see, this is my GitHub ID. So I'll click on this continue. I'll authorize Visual Studio Code. So you see GitHub Copilot now ready in the VS Code, and here we can start the chat with Copilot. So to learn more about Copilot, we again go to this Copilot symbol in VS Code, and here you will find learn more option. So you will find here more about the GitHub Copilot. So you can see here through GitHub Copilot, you can get code suggestion as you type, make large changes across multiple files, and you can ask question about your code. You can refactor code and you can improve your code. You can fix code issue and debugging. So lot more. And here you can find the shortcut keyboard key to use GitHub Copilot. So you can explore this thing yourself to get more about this GitHub Copilot. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.